With all the brands coming into motocross, this one's a little different. And this is Josh Strang. Strang? I'm going to say his last name wrong. I'm sorry. I butcher a lot of last names because who knows. And this is news from GNCC where Josh Strangs is switching over to factory Sherco for the 2024 season, which is apparently pretty big news. As far as I know, he's one of the best GNCC riders out there, and to be switching from, it looks like he's always been riding Kawasaki's, or at least for, maybe not always, I'm not going to say that, for a long time riding Kawasaki, to switch over to, USA Sherco or factory Sherco, whatever you want to call it. It's pretty big. I mean, whether they stay in just GNCC or maybe this is a little bit of a question for them of how well they can make a race program work and come over to motocross. Maybe that'd be kind of cool. No, but in the comments below, I want to hear from you guys. Do you watch GNCC? Do you follow this stuff? Are you only a supercross, motocross kind of person, or are you just a dirt bike racer? You follow all that kind of stuff in general. Uh, I like to watch it whenever I can. I don't. I'm not going to say I exactly keep up with everything to the to the race, but it is kind of neat, and especially GNCC got a lot of exposure last year, I guess you want to say, with the whole J Law kind of thing. But in the comments below, I want to hear what you think. Are you excited for it? Do you want to see Sherco, come into motocross or supercross or whatever it is? Comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.